In today's creative industries, the ability to convert 2D images into 3D models and videos is increasingly vital for producing high-quality visual content. However, the transition from 2D to 3D presents significant challenges. Traditional 3D modeling is notoriously time-consuming, requiring hours of meticulous work. Additionally, the process demands specialized skills that limit accessibility, making it difficult for those without professional training to achieve detailed and realistic results. While basic 3D modeling software is available, it often falls short when dealing with complex designs, forcing users to compromise between simplicity and the quality of the final output. Hiring a professional 3D artist ensures accuracy and detail, but comes at a high cost. On the other hand, attempting manual modeling is not only labor-intensive, but also prone to errors. The key challenge lies in finding a solution that offers the perfect balance of quality, efficiency, and accessibility in the 3D modeling process. Introducing a revolutionary 3D modeling solution that makes converting 2D images into detailed 3D assets effortless and accurate. This tool uses advanced AI to provide high-quality 3D models and videos, saving you both time and money by eliminating the need for manual 3D modeling. This is LUMA AI. Let's delve into the realm of LUMA AI's services and discover how it can be utilized to resolve the common issues of time-consuming and costly manual 3D modeling. Through its innovative features, LUMA AI transforms the 3D content creation process, enhancing efficiency and productivity for professionals across various fields. Introduction to LUMA AI. LUMA AI is a specialized artificial intelligence platform designed to convert 2D images into 3D models and videos with remarkable accuracy. Developed by LUMA AI, this advanced tool is engineered to generate realistic 3D assets, providing users with immediate access to high-quality visual content. LUMA AI utilizes sophisticated neural rendering techniques to capture intricate details, making it a versatile solution for diverse creative needs. Catering to a wide range of users, LUMA AI is invaluable for professionals who need to produce 3D models for games, virtual reality, or digital content creation. It is equally beneficial for designers who want to bring their 2D concepts to life, allowing them to focus on the creative process rather than the technical complexities of 3D modeling. LUMA AI boasts several powerful features that make it a standout tool for 3D content creation. 1. Real-time 3D rendering. LUMA AI provides near-instantaneous conversion of 2D images into 3D models, allowing users to see results as they work. This feature is invaluable during design processes, enabling creators to iterate quickly and efficiently. 2. Detail capture. The platform excels at capturing intricate details from 2D images, ensuring that textures, lighting, and shadows are accurately represented in the 3D model. This capability is especially useful for high-fidelity visual content, where realism is key. 3. Editable 3D models. After generating a 3D model, users can edit and refine it to better suit their needs. This flexibility ensures that the final asset is perfectly tailored to the specific requirements of a project, catering to the need for precision in professional and creative settings. 4. Integration with design tools. LUMA AI integrates seamlessly with popular design and modeling software, streamlining the process of importing and exporting assets. This direct integration saves time and effort, making it easier to incorporate 3D models into existing workflows. 5. Collaborative tools. LUMA AI promotes teamwork by allowing shared access to 3D models. Colleagues can review, comment on, and edit models collaboratively, enhancing productivity and ensuring everyone stays aligned on the creative vision. LUMA AI Step-by-Step Tutorial. Step 1. Sign up, log in. Visit the LUMA AI website. Create an account by providing your email and password, or log in using existing credentials. Step 2. Access the dashboard. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard, where you can manage your projects. Step 3. Upload images. Click the Upload button prominently displayed on the dashboard. Select the 2D images or photos you wish to convert into a 3D model. Ensure the images are clear and cover various angles for best results. Step 4. Set project parameters. In LUMA AI, choosing the right project parameters is essential for your desired 3D model quality. Model resolution. For highly detailed, realistic models, select high resolution. This is ideal for professional animations and games, but demands more processing power. Medium resolution offers a good balance for VR experiences and interactive web content. Low resolution is best for quick previews or mobile applications. Texture quality. Use high for photorealistic textures and close-up views, or medium for general-purpose projects. Output format. Choose GLB for web use, FBX for game engines, and OBJ for 3D printing. Step 5. Generate 3D model. Click Generate to initiate the 3D modeling process. LUMA AI will analyze your images and convert them into a detailed 3D model. Wait for the process to complete, which may take a few minutes depending on model complexity. Step 6. Review and edit. Use the integrated 3D viewer to inspect your model. Rotate, zoom, and examine details closely. If necessary, apply edits or refinements directly within the platform. Step 7. Export and save. Once satisfied, export the 3D model in your chosen format, e.g., OBJ, FBX, GLTF. Save the model to your device or upload it to cloud storage for easy access. Best uses of LUMA AI. 1. Gaming industry. LUMA AI is a valuable asset for game developers, enabling the rapid creation of detailed 3D models for environments, characters, and objects. This technology streamlines the production process, allowing for the efficient development of high-quality assets that enhance the visual appeal and overall gaming experience. 2. Virtual reality. For VR developers, LUMA AI offers the ability to convert real-world images into immersive 3D models, significantly enhancing the realism and depth of virtual environments. This capability allows for more engaging and lifelike virtual experiences, elevating the quality of VR content. 3. Digital content creation. Content creators can use LUMA AI to generate 3D models for videos, animations, or interactive media. This tool simplifies the creation process, enabling the production of visually striking content that captivates audiences and enriches storytelling. 4. Architecture and design. Architects and designers can leverage LUMA AI to convert 2D blueprints or sketches into accurate 3D models. This provides clearer project visualizations, facilitating better communication with clients and stakeholders, and supporting more informed design decisions. 5. E-commerce. Retailers can use LUMA AI to create interactive 3D models of products, offering customers a detailed online view that enhances the shopping experience and reduces return rates. LUMA AI stands out in the crowded 3D modeling market with several key advantages. 1. Seamless AI integration. LUMA AI leverages advanced artificial intelligence to provide highly accurate 3D models, distinguishing it from other services. Its sophisticated algorithms ensure precise capture of visual details, even in complex scenarios. 2. User-friendly features. The platform offers intuitive features, such as real-time rendering and editable models, making it accessible and easy to use for a wide range of users, from professionals to hobbyists. 3. Collaborative tools. LUMA AI's focus on teamwork and shared access to models fosters a cooperative environment. Users can review, comment, and edit models collaboratively, enhancing productivity and ensuring everyone stays aligned on the project. 4. Continuous improvement. Through machine learning, LUMA AI continuously evolves, adapting to new image inputs and user demands. This dedication to improvement ensures that the service remains cutting-edge and effective. 5. Versatility. LUMA AI caters to diverse needs across various domains, including gaming, VR, digital content creation, architecture, and e-commerce, making it a versatile tool that adds value in multiple contexts. Despite its advanced features, LUMA AI has some limitations. 1. Accuracy with complex textures. The platform may struggle with rendering complex textures, such as intricate patterns or reflective surfaces. This can lead to inaccuracies and require additional editing for clarity. 2. Model complexity. LUMA AI may encounter challenges when handling highly intricate or detailed models, leading to the generation of 3D assets that are less detailed, overly simplified, or lacking in certain nuanced features, requiring further refinement or adjustments. 3. Language limitations. Currently, LUMA AI primarily supports English language interfaces, which may limit usability for non-English speakers or those needing localized versions. Conclusion: LUMA AI is more than just a 3D modeling service. It's a comprehensive platform that bridges the gap between 2D images and 3D models through sophisticated artificial intelligence. Catering to diverse needs in gaming, VR, design, and beyond, LUMA AI enhances productivity and ensures no detail is lost in the translation from 2D to 3D. With real-time rendering, collaborative features, and continuous technological advancements, it offers a glimpse into the future of digital content creation. Its integration with various design tools ensures seamless use, making it a reliable and efficient solution for all 3D modeling needs. An interesting fact about LUMA AI. The backbone of LUMA AI is its advanced neural rendering technology. This system uses deep learning algorithms to analyze and reconstruct images with remarkable accuracy. The result is a level of detail and realism that sets LUMA AI apart from other 3D modeling tools. And that's a wrap, folks. I hope you enjoyed exploring the fascinating world of LUMA AI with me. But guess what? The adventure doesn't end here. Stay tuned for more captivating insights by subscribing to my channel. Let's keep the magic alive, explore endless possibilities, and make the impossible possible together.